Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at the first trading session of year 2023. It was quite an average trading session, nothing too difficult, and also not much happened in this trading session in terms of market wise. So first trade we are going to look at is in Bank Nifty. So market opened quite flattish, and since I was not available in the morning first half of the day, so I was not able to take a trade, and I was only available after 12. So first trade that I took was after 12, and since market had broken out of the zone, sort of this high zone which market was operating, this high zone, so market broke this high zone and I took a trade below this swing, as you can see here, below this swing, and my target was just very small and I wanted to maintain this level for my profit. So this was my target, which was around 100 points, 150 points. So first trade was quite successful and I was able to write the whole points since my setup has already delivered my intended target. So I exited my position in Bank Nifty put. Second trade which I took was in Nifty. So in Nifty, as soon as I exited my position in Bank Nifty, after some time I saw an opportunity in Nifty. Since most of the bank stocks were showing uh, negative signals, but many of other stocks were sustaining at high level, like ONGC, Tata Steel, ITC. These were showing quite strong signals. I concluded that it was difficult for Nifty to fall, while it was possible for Bank Nifty to fall. So my view on Nifty became bullish, and I decided to take a bull trade in Nifty. So my entry level was previous few days high, as you can see here, this high, and my targets were around this area, which was the last swing from previous closing. So my targets were fully achieved in this one also, and this was my second profitable trade of the day, in which I was almost able to harvest I was almost able to harvest 50 to 60 points. Third, third trade of my day was in Hindustan Unilever. So was in Hindustan Unilever. I saw this opportunity as I decided to take a buy trade in intraday options in Hindustan Unilever when it reached the uh, day low. So I decided to take a buy trade, but market is still kept coming down, and it decided to hit my SL, and thus my stop loss which was in system was triggered, and my position got squared off, and I moved to other stocks. So second trade of my day in the stocks, or fourth trade of my day, was in Infosys. Here I decided to take a put option on the levels of day high. As you can see here, this area was my level for the day, as this as Infosys was range bound from quite a few many days. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 times it has come to this level and has fallen down to this level. So I decided to take a put or sell some shares in intraday in Infosys. Market did move. Market did move according to my expectations. It almost reached half of my target. As you can see, it almost reached half of my target here, and then I saw a reversal candle, and I decided to wait for the swing and increase my positions. So I increase my position here in anticipation of it going further down, but it did not go down. And since I had moved my stop loss from this level to my initial starting level, which was 1523, my stop loss was triggered, and that was the end of my trading for the day. This day, both my stock trades in intraday were unsuccessful, and my uh, both my option trades in morning in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty were very successful, and all in all, I was happy with the results. My net uh, day was in profit, and whatever I lost were small amounts in intraday. So how do you find an analysis for the day? See you again. Comment below if you found it useful. Thank you. Bye.